Hey. I am too much. I'm sorry. I don't even care, honestly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another slime review video. I'm literally just like, I'm on cloud 9. I almost said 10. That's how happy I am. You guys, I'm currently giving away a MacBook Pro to one of you guys, and the rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs, and go follow me on Instagram at Nicole Jacklyn, and my Twitter is also at Nicole Jacklyn. It is all linked down below. The giveaway ends in 2 weeks from now, so if you want to enter the giveaway, it's all down below, all the rules, and yeah, you want to win a MacBook Pro, just subscribe. Just spread the love. You guys, I'm graduating college in like a week, so it's pretty crazy. I will have my vlog channel down below. Go subscribe to my vlog channel. If you want to be part of my vlog channel family, it's linked down below. I am doing graduation stuff right now. So you guys, today I am doing a underrated slime shop review. I went on Etsy and I purchased a bunch. Like I literally have so much slime in my slime room in my apartment. It's crazy. It's honestly insane. So I have slime from Dope Slimes, Planet Slimes, Tiny Turtle Slimes, Slime Queens 1, and we have Butter Cookie Slimery, which I think it was like someone's cousin or sister DM'd me and they were like, can you buy from my friend's shop or my sister's shop? And I was like, sure. So I was like, boop, boop, boop. And now we're here. So, yep. If I should do more slime review videos, give it a thumbs up. I love doing slime review videos. I'm going to be doing this video more like reaction based. Let's hop right in to this slime review video. You're literally really happy and you're just like, oh my god. That's how I feel. Package, I literally just love, okay. Can you tell that I'm thriving right now? I am just feeling great, okay? This is from Planet Slimes with 2 Z's. This beautiful blue mailer. Ooh, okay. I am too much. I'm sorry. I don't even care, honestly. I am entertaining myself, maybe. Who knows? The extras, this is so brightly exposed, but there's so many Jolly Ranchers in here. Oh, some borax, a care sheet. Yes, yes. We have the first slime. It's in this green bubble wrap and it's all wrapped together. And we also have these like mini, like 2 4-ounces I think, and there's also a little 4-ounce. So we have a lot of slime to open up here. This one's called Tangerine Tango. You know the song Wango Tango? It's like, it's a wango! Maybe it's just me. It's a good song, okay. Cute Planet Slimes. We have some tape along the whole top of it. Yes. Oh, okay, you know, nothing. Okay, I already love a slime. This is great. When you open a slime and it's just a clean open, there's no, oh my god, like, do I have to even go any further with this? Just like oranges, it's so silky. Like this slime is great, okay? If you like thick slimes, which like, who doesn't? Those like thwack. Is the word thwack an actual thing? People will say like, has great thwacks. I'm like, okay, what? It's literally so nice. Oh my gosh. Trying to like not, it's like a little bit sticky, but it's also not. So I'm trying to like poke it fast. Next we have, okay, this next slime, ooh, it's like black. Oh, it's called root beer. Oh, it smells really good. It's a nice 4-ounce container. It is taped. It's not going anywhere. Oh girl, this slime needs some borax. Oh girl. The smell though, it literally smells like root beer. So I know, what can you say? It's pretty great. Is it like sticky or is it like, yeah, that's sticky. Okay, that's great. This, okay, just like reaction based, literally smells so good, like an actual root beer float. I haven't had one of those since I was like 10 years old. Oh my gosh, so good. And next up we have some more slime from Planet Slimes. earth to slime obsessed woman. Oh, this is a cotton candy ice cream slime. Fluffy slime for sure. It feels very woofy, fluffy. Wow, okay, am I okay? Let me know. Cotton candy ice cream and cotton candy ice cream, but they're blue and pink, so we got like both colors. Oh my sisters, I just had an idea. Oh, Carrie has an idea. Carrie, what is the idea? Carrie, I'm watching, but I'm also making a video. Oh, it's a butter slime. I wanna know, am I the only one that gets this hype over slime? Like, I just imagine anyone in my life that I meet watching my videos and being like, is she like normal? Like, is she okay? Just wondering. This is there's actually Daiso. It's like Daiso butter slime, like cotton candy blueberry. Ooh, it's nice. Anyways, let's open up this package. Is it gonna be a dope? Is it a dope slime or is it a not dope slime? Ooh, we have an 8-ounce slime here. This is cotton candy explosion. Oh, cute. Look at this little like, gosh. What's wrong with me? Their Instagram is dope slimes with the D-O. It's like the number 0. It was the letter 0, LOL. Dope slimes. We have a Butterfinger, a mint, and we have borax and slime care instructions. And now we have the actual slime. Dope slimes. Ooh, is it dope or not? Let's open her up. Oh, she has a nice seal, a protector. These sealants, mega props to those of you guys who seal them with this, because you have to like go through each of them with like a heat gun and heat them. It takes so much time. I don't do it because it's great, but it takes so much time. And it also kind of like melts the plastic usually. Yeah, this one's like kind of melted a little bit from it. It kind of makes it harder to open because the actual top is more like sucked in because it's kind of the heat gun. Anyways, okay. Oh, she is a melty. But that's okay. Oh, she smells good. This line smells so good. So it's a nice light blue color. And okay, let's get her top on. Okay. And the bottom of it has purple and pink foamy foam, freaking what? Beads. Honestly, so cute. Hype to get this activated. Honestly, first impression though, I love it. Okay, next up we have this slime from Butter Cookie Slimery, and this is the packaging. We have this cute little tape. I'm gonna open it up. Very easy to open. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure this is the person that I went and their cousin or their sister, I don't know who it was a relative, was like, yo, like my sister, my cousin has a slime shop, and I was like, yeah, I'll support it. So if you ever wanna know, hop in my DMs or follow me on Instagram and I'll be there looking for some slime accounts to follow. There's a little letter inside of it. And oh, it's so cute. It says, hi Nicole, I was so excited when I saw that you had bought saying something. Wait. I was so excited when I saw that you had bought, so thank you so much. I've included an OG butter cookie, a creamy batter butter slime, a slime care sheet, and an extra 2-ounce blue bunny marshmallow slime. And it's at Butter Cookie Slimery on Instagram. So we have some slime instructions, all the care instructions here. Oh, it has a charm inside of it, a little cupcake charm. We have some extras. We have these Annie's Bunny Fruit Snacks Berry Patch. Yes, sir, we do. And we have the Marshmallow Bunny Slime that was an extra, which is so sweet of you to include. That was not necessary at all. Oh my gosh, what cute labels. Look at these labels. That is so precious. They're not like ever announces. It's very unique. I love them. Okay, this is the bunny marshmallow slime. Ooh! Oh my god! It's literally, okay. I'm not even being like over dramatic. Like, this is my genuine. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. My genuine reaction. Okay, words, Nicole. It smells like Fruity Pebbles. and it is extremely thick. Such a nice thick slime. So these are great. So then this is the actual slime. It has this tissue paper around it. And then we have bubble wrap surrounding the slime, which we love a nice protected slime package. We really do. This is very protected. But you know what? I really appreciate the effort. Sometimes you just never know with UPS. Okay, I don't know what this is called again. I think Berry Explosion, I think. Oh no, this is like Butter Cookie, her OG one. Okay, so it's like we have some pink shimmer inside of it, and it's like a yellow base. Kind of like getting a butter slime look, of course. Has a nice like bubbles. Oh my. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a very nice slime. Okay, I'm incredibly surprised. I'm pretty sure this shop had only ever had like a few sales, so this is pretty impressive. So this is a very thick butter slime, almost to the point where it's kind of like putty-like, but it's very stretchy still. Like, so it's putty in the way that it's very thick, but it's stretchy still, which is not how putty is. I'm aware. I just like cut open the extras bag with the scissors and just, so there's candy, there's borax, there's a slime care sheet, all of the things. Iconic. Sorry I cut your bag open by accident. So we have a little extra slime, and I don't know if this is a 1 ounce or like a ½ ounce, but it's super tiny. I'll have to activate it later. Ooh. It's an unscented, I think. I'll smell anything. An unscented little baby slime. It is very slimy still. It's not like melted yet. One of those jelly cube slimes. It's called iced coffee. I'm so excited. Oh. Oh my. I'm not even kidding you. This is a real reaction. Oh my god. What? Okay, actually, what? This is, whoa. Literally, this is my reaction. Okay, Nicole, words. It smells like iced coffee. The cubes in it look just like ice cubes and iced coffee. It's like a super soft, thick, clear-based slime. I've never squished a jelly cube, and they're so satisfying to squish. Last but not least, we have Slime Queens. So excited. Oh, Lord have mercy on my slime soul. Okay. Oh, we have some nice extras. We have double wrapped extra bag. If I can open it, am I okay? We have oh, this is so nice. It has the polymer sprinkles with some glitters. Just a really nice purchase, really nice little slime. It's, oh, their Instagram is bell.slimes. I'll link it down below, but it's bell.reine.slimes. And then we have some Brock's jelly beans, and we have some mini malted milk eggs. And then this is a super protected package, which is super nice, super smart. Holy, did I? Oh yeah, I did buy all these. Okay, okay, so we have, these are 4 ounces. I've never seen, is this an 8 ounce tube? I've never seen it before. That's so cool. So this first one is little 4 ounce containers. Ooh, it's called Chandelier Bang. Chandelier Bang? Chandelier? No. Chandelier Bang? It's Chandler? I don't know what it says. Okay. Oh, cute. I am a spaz today. Thanks a bunch. Cute little labels. Okay. Thanks a bunch. You can't tell. Okay, Chandler Bang. Ooh, it smells like lime refresher. And the top of it, it's like, get a little focus on that one. You see those like little strawberries? Oh, so cute. And there's like foam beads. It's a cloud slime. Oh my gosh, this is super nice. There's some residue in my hands from the cloud slime, but like personally, I don't care. And also like literally my slime myself has residue from it. Oh my gosh, but it's literally so nice. Oh my gosh, this is a nice slime. Okay, these are the labels that they use for their slime shop. So cute. Bellerian slimes. Oh my, okay, you have to see this. Look at the top of this. This is gorgeous. This charm, that's like open right now. I wanna like poke it. Hey. Oh, there's so much glitter on my hands right now. Whoa. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can't get over it. It kind of feels like Play-Doh, like in a really weird way. This slime shop is incredible. You got it going on, girl. Oh my gosh, this color is this beautiful like magenta color now that it's all mixed together. It has like little cake chunks and then it has sprinkles on bottom and it's so cute. I want to like do a full Instagram video with this because it's just super nice. If I should do more slime review videos, which I'm gonna, so you better like them. Actually, let me know. Comment down below what you think. Go enter my MacBook Pro giveaway. It's to give back to you guys for hitting 800,000. Once we hit 1 million, like I want to do like a YouTube giveaway. Like I want to give away a camera and like a laptop, like a huge giveaway. So subscribe down below. I will have all the giveaway rules down below for you guys. And yeah, love you guys so much. I'll see you with a new video very soon. And yeah, bye.